Good morning, guys. It's Melissa here from Little Kosher Lunch, and welcome back to my channel. Since we have just rolled over into the new year, I thought it was time to do a little bathrobe morning lunch packing video for you guys. Today I wanted to just, with no preparation, take a look at what we're packing in our lunches today. What I really love about my lunches today is that there is a ton of color, there's a ton of produce, and some of these items I had either prepped in advance in the refrigerator or they actually came out of my freezer and were already ready to go. For my carb today, I am throwing in sliced fresh baguette that I picked up at the market last night, slathered with butter, but you could do like cheese sandwich version or cheese and crackers or some other very basic like easy sandwich or quesadilla. But let's take a look at what I have in these lunches and I'll just quickly walk you through. So far, here is my lunchbox, and I am taking the opportunity to use up all the odds and ends that we have in the house. So that means a few leaves of lettuce that I washed and dried this morning, leftover pineapple. I had a whole pineapple that I cut up and I've had ready to go in the fridge. This is the last of it with one strawberry. I have edamame that I thawed a partial bag of in the fridge and a container of takeout dressing that's been hanging around that I wanted to finish up. We'll see what I throw in that last compartment, but let's move on to the kids. Here I have my big girl on the left and my little girl on the right, so kindergarten and nursery school. I picked up tons of strawberries last night at the market on sale, so those just got a quick rinse this morning and dried, and I'm packing them either whole or cut up into little heart shapes, just removing the stems and cutting in half. A few pieces of pineapple here, some mint sprigs. I had a bag of peas from Trader Joe's that I blanched yesterday, and they were ready to go in the fridge with ranch for my big girl. A sad piece of avocado that's left over for my big girl, but I know she's gonna love it. This is leftover sauteed red cabbage from dinner a couple nights ago. And for color contrast, I'm just dropping in a few edamame because my little one really likes them, but not an overwhelming amount. Over here's my snack box for my kindergartner, and I still need to figure out what's gonna go in that other compartment. But let's go over to the toaster now and I'll show you what the sandwiches are gonna be. So here is the 99-cent baguette that I picked up last night, and I just literally stuck half of it in the toaster oven to crisp it back up, sliced it on the bias, and I'm gonna be doing mini butter and bread sandwiches for my girls. If that doesn't fly in your house, then you can obviously use a healthier spread or some other, middle part for your sandwich. But my girls have really been interested in crusty bread and butter, and they're skinny kids, so I can indulge them. Some other items for lunches I just wanted to mention. I have these amazing tostadas that I sometimes melt cheese on. They're already crisp tortillas, as well as soft flour tortillas for quesadillas. I also have a thawed part of a pumpkin bread that I made probably a month and a half ago. So this is just pumpkin bread that I keep in the freezer, and I thawed one loaf for snacks this week, so that might go in the snack box today. And in terms of just being prepped for the week, I want to show you my fridge. My fridge is crazy looking, but we have like leftover egg up top there that I threw in a jar. I picked up these adorable little yogurts that were on sale, and I had a coupon. So these are yogurts that my kids really love. So in terms of breakfast, these are a grab and go item that I normally wouldn't buy individually packed, but this week is special. I do buy some odd things like quail eggs, and these have been really popular with my kids fried at nighttime over pasta noodles. I have some homemade pesto here, an egg puff from that meal train that I just shared with you guys, and those are grab and go snacks for myself. Leftover sauteed peppers and onions. These are great over pasta or for a quick egg scramble. A partially eaten apple. Behind the apple, I have the rest of the peas that that I prepped in the morning yesterday. So those are ready for snacks, lunches, and dinners. I have another sauteed Chinese green veggie, tons of strawberries, tons of eggs, leftover cabbage, and then deli drawer and a few other odds and ends like lettuces and things in the produce drawer. I think I have one cucumber. Oh, and I have a bunch of bulbs for my garden down here. I'm sure all of you guys are keeping bulbs in your fridge, right? No, I think I'm the only one. Anyway, I hope that you guys liked this video. As always, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you're packing. Let me know what ages you're packing for, or if you're just packing lunch for yourself. And I hope that this video helped you and you have a great day. Take care, and I'll see you back here on my channel soon. Bye-bye.